And welcome back, guys, and we are back with yet another Tesla in the shop. We have a 2023 Tesla Model X. As you guys can see, it is the long-range version here. And again, we are faced with a huge tint job today. So we're gonna go ahead and run you guys through on how that goes. It is including a windshield and all arounds, and you guys can see just how massive this windshield is. It is a 60-inch roll required windshield. So we have Xpel XR Plus as the material that we'll be using, and then let's go along for the ride, guys. Part of what makes this really difficult is this windshield. As you guys can see, it starts from down here and it goes all the way up to this portion up here, guys. So it is quite the length that you have to cut. I actually measured it out to about 64 inches, guys. So that's about a pretty long length that you're gonna be doing. So it's a little over 5 feet. So let's go ahead and give this a shot when Angel gets here, and then we'll go ahead and install this and show you guys some tips and tricks for this Tesla Model X.
All right, guys, let's get started. You'll see Angel here. He's actually cutting this piece of film out for this Model X. Measurements for this windshield is 60 inches by 64 inches. And this is the direction that you want to be shrinking this film in. It is actually going to be going from passenger to the driver's side, from halfway down to the middle, down to the edges. You can see Angel here, he is doing that, and he's actually going slowly about 2 inches at a time. And this is allowing him to lay it down in a vertical manner. And this is the direction that you should be shrinking towards. You're going to want to rinse and repeat for the other side as well. For this job and for all of our tint jobs, we have been making the switch over to Xpel XR Prime Plus. We really like this film over the Lumar product that we've been using before, simply because of its ability to shrink super easily and provide a lot of heat rejection that we've been looking for out of our window films. So you're gonna wanna take your time on this last bit and this last corner, because this is actually where most people mess up this tint job. If you don't quite have the reach like Angel does, this 64 inches and rolling this film can be quite difficult. So be very careful. If you have an extra hand, maybe use that, because this is actually where you can crease the film and damage it. And if this is going on the windshield like this Model X, this is where you're gonna have a lot of problems. And then proceed as normal. You're going to want to clean the glass and prep the surface by blading it and doing whatever you guys do to tint your vehicles. After prepping the window, you're going to want to carefully back roll this film from the passenger side to the driver's side, if you rolled it from the driver's side to the passenger side. Once you have it rolled out, you're going to want to squeegee the water out from the center outwards, and take your time here because you don't want to mess this part up. This is a big piece of film and you don't want to do it all over again. And that's it, guys. Make sure to use a hard squeegee to get out the remaining water. But this is really how to do a Model X windshield, guys. I hope this helps you guys out in your business. We charge $1,000 just for this windshield, so we hope this can work for you guys.